Welcome, fellow free spirits. Are you ready to explore some incredible workshops at the Free Spirit Gathering Festival? We have a fantastic lineup of featured presenter workshops that will surely ignite your curiosity and deepen your magical knowledge. Let's dive into what's in store for you at this year's gathering.
First up, we have the enchanting Byron Ballard, who will be teaching Appalachian folk magic. This workshop will offer an introduction to traditional Appalachian folk magic from a longtime practitioner. Immerse yourself in the rich history and powerful techniques of this unique magical tradition and learn how to incorporate its wisdom into your own practice.
Next, join the captivating Amy Blackthorne as she shares her insights on magical self-care. In a world where Hollywood witches seem to have it all together, we know that real life can be quite different. Amy will discuss strategies for making time for ourselves, our magic, and our own needs in the day-to-day, even when dealing with chronic conditions. Discover how to feel like you have the time and energy to go big without sacrificing your well-being.
Prepare for an enlightening experience with Irene Glass and her workshop, Safe Hex. Magical Self-Defense. As magical folk, our bright flame can attract both positive and negative energies. Irene will teach you tools and techniques for managing your personal energy, protecting yourself from the influence of others, and keeping your home and property safe. Learn how to navigate the magical world with confidence and security.
Finally, delve into the fascinating world of hexerai with Robert Schroeder in his workshop, Reclaiming Hexerai. Hexerai is an integral part of the Pennsylvania Dutch culture, but it is often misunderstood. Robert will discuss how the social stigma on hexerai was used to attempt to destroy the Pennsylvania Dutch culture and will present hexerai's view of itself and how it relates to braucherij. Join this exciting conversation and reclaim the power of this ancient practice.
So there you have it. These featured presenter workshops at the Free Spirit Gathering are just a glimpse of the magical experiences awaiting you. Don't miss your chance to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded individuals in this vibrant and welcoming community. We can't wait to see you there.
You can register today at www.freespiritgatheringmd.org.